Hi, welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this video, we will have a look at the proctoring options that are available to you. We'll jump straight into the Proctorio options of the assessment scheduling process. If you want a demonstration on how to schedule an assessment from start to finish, please visit one of our other assessment scheduling videos. If you have access to Proctorio, the option to set a proctored assessment will be visible at this point, as shown on screen. To proctor an assessment, select Yes, and you'll be presented with a list of proctoring options. Next to each of the options is a question mark symbol, which will give an explanation of each option. For example, Verify User ID will require the user to present photo ID prior to sitting the assessment. Record Webcam will record the user's webcam for the duration of the assessment and capture any suspicious activity. Force Full Screen forces the assessment to full screen mode, preventing access to other windows. By default, all of the proctoring options are selected, and you can select or deselect them by clicking the slider icon as shown on screen. Once you are happy with the proctoring options you have selected, you can move on to the next step of the assessment scheduling process. To review any proctored assessment results, search for the assessment as you usually would via the Feedback Centre, and once you've opened the assessment results, you'll see a Proctorio Gradebook button. Clicking here will open a new web page and take you through to Proctorio, where you can review the proctoring results. If you're unsure on how to use or understand any of the features on this page, you will need to speak with the Proctorio support team.